Welcome to the next part of SMS API Do-It-Yourself Guide. In this episode, you'll learn how to configure the periodic SMS and birthday SMS functions. Periodic SMS feature, located in the SMS Messages menu, is used for sending repeatable periodic messages in defined intervals. Messages can be sent to recipients entered manually, as in the standard fast gateway, or in the tab numbers from Phonebook to a selected group of recipients from your database. In both cases, you start by selecting the sender name and recipients field by entering them or selecting the target group. In the case of groups, it's possible to personalize the message by selected additional fields, for example gender or location. Then create the message content with parameters, emoticons, or links and specify the intervals for sending the message, date and time of the first text, repetition period, and the end date of the cycle. It's also worth remembering that the system schedules SMS messages to defined recipients 24 hours in advance in order to include the actual recipient bases. In the Periodic SMS List tab, there is a table with all defined repetitive campaigns with the option of editing or deleting them. Birthday SMS feature, which is in the Additional Functions menu, is used for sending birthday wishes annually. The condition for conducting birthday campaigns is the phone number's database with their owner's birthdays uploaded to the SMS API service. To activate it, change the activity status to Yes. As in the case of a periodic SMS, you should set the duration, exact hour of dispatch, and define the exact moment when the message should be sent, on the birthday or certain amount of days before or after birthday. As in a regular campaign, choose the group of recipients, the sender name, and optionally group of discount codes previously generated in the Discount Codes tab. In the field below, enter the content of the wishes along with the parameters, emoticons, or links. Before launching your campaign, it's good to test the campaign on your own phone number. After completing the configuration, click Add. Below the Settings panel is a list of birthday SMS configurations for different groups. That's it! See you in the next episode!